Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Pet Muggo's Journey. Cooking. Yeah, this is the charcoal grill. The old fashioned way. Not the propane. Today we're gonna be doing is make turkey burgers. I have right here the 3-pounder so I can cook all of them and then I can eat for the next couple of days. So I got this at Walmart. I have the other things. I have eggs, olive oil, spices. Normally you put in like onion powder, garlic powder, basil and parsley. Parsley and basil. Yeah, okay. What else? I'm gonna put my spices in. I normally used to get McCall spices, usually like Memphis or Texas or Carolina, and put it in. Oh, everybody's crazy about that, but I don't see them anymore for that brand. So I have to come up with my own. So I'm using red pepper and sweet and smooth. It's McCall brand. Make it a combination. Oh, it'll be really awesome, spicy. Turkey burgers. Alright, first off, I have to get that cut off. Good thing I can cut that off without a knife. I always had to use the knife. So that's good. And they light. You have to put safety. Yeah. I have to keep trying to get the fire going. Charcoal is difficult than the propane. Oh man. So I have to do this more. But then, would get tired to remove that. I feel warm, but it's not really doing it. Always proceed with caution using the long lighter, not the short cigarette lighter. No. You will burn your hand. You'll see why. Watch. Always duck your head down. Now you can see why you have to have your head down. Get it blows up. Okay? Safety first. Now, you want to see it? No. Duck light. Always duck a light. It's doing that. While doing that, just remember I have to take the ring off. No, I can't get the ring off. If it's stuck, use it. Take it off. Much. Ta-da! See, olive oil. If your ring stuck sometimes, that's a tip. Olive oil or water will help. Remember, you gotta have got towel too. All right. Get it too much of juice. Dump them out. Alright, now it's ready. A little bit of olive oil in it. Correct. Make sure the eggshells are out. Doesn't do any good in there. There you go. I did it with my thumb. I squeezed it. You can do that. Awesome. But be careful though. It's sharp. There you go. Now you want to put your favorite spices in. Uh-oh. Sometimes they kind of freeze together. It's a rock in there. Alright. Alright. And do the same thing with this. Make sure. That was basil. I want to show you the regular stuff. Cheese. Parmesan cheese. Grated. Brand new, of course. Because I used it up with the other one already. Now what we're gonna do is with the other one. The rock too. Onion powder. You can use real onions in it if you like. Chop up tiny pieces. Where's the other thing? This is parsley flake. I don't use measurement. I use judgment. There's the difference here when doing the cooking. How's that going? Michaela! Moroni! Come on over here! I'm sure she's not impressed by this charcoal's not doing the cooking. Come on. It's why I like propane. This is not my grill, it's my neighbor. I live right there. I'll open up with that. You have to, I guess, you have to keep working at it to get warmer, hot. Otherwise, I'm gonna have to microwave it. Okay. Now I'm gonna put in the spices that I was talking about. The red pepper. Not too much because you're gonna go, I need milk. Now the sweet, smoky, yeah. You want that sweet, smoky, You don't need barbecue sauce. Cause I tested it before. It's broken apart. It's too liquid. If you spice it, it will stay together because you use eggs. Eggs help to keep it that way. Help to keep it together. It's getting there. If I'm touching it, it's not hot enough. It'd be over 180 degrees. That's what I believe. What if I never put these in there when there's a fire? Because if you do, it'll come right into the container. Get it traveled. But also it gets much big below the fire. Never do that. I had a feeling this time should be better. Because it seems to stay out a little longer. Alright, it's mixing time before I can actually put it in when it gets hot enough. Seems to die down. You understand why? No. It tells me it's doing it now. So let's do the mixing. And then I do it in. Did I touch everything out? That's why. You have to massage your turkey burger. If you prefer beef, that's fine. But I eat turkey burger, it's the white meat. I use the same container. Because I don't like to waste another container to wash. Use the same container. And if there's juice in there, it's great. Because they said that, and myself, it's very juicy. There's some pitchy flies. I know you can't see, because I don't have anybody else do that, only me. So, as you can see, I'll lift it up and show you. See? It's all mixed up in there. Yeah. I'll be right back. Richard. I need to make sure I'm not sure that's hot enough right now. I hit you like maybe 5, 6, 7 times doing it.
No.
See, I have that problem. Like,
No.
not doing anything. So what should I
Just
do?
keep trying.
What?
Just keep trying.
Can't cook it.
No, keep trying.
But
T-R-Y-Y-I-N-G. Trying. Keep
Fine.
trying.
I have to keep doing that.
Yep.
Okay. Let's eat that. I have to keep trying. I know. I'm leaving that door open to the air. Boo. Because fire needs oxygen. That's good. Stays on longer. It's good. The fire stays on longer. I have to leave the door open for air through. It's hotter, but it's not hot enough. So. We'll be right back after this gets running. Please stand by. I have to come around. I am back. This time, I kept going. Get the charcoal. No. Use pine cone. Yeah, pine cone. Put it in with the charcoal. The fire will last longer with the pine cone. So I can see it doing it. Then, let it work. The charcoal. The charcoal takes longer to light up. It's to retire it. The charcoal. The pine cone. I left the door open so the air goes through. Need oxygen. Yeah, the pine cone's making some effort. It's getting ridiculous, I know. So, be right back. Yeah. Hey, Richard, I have a couple questions. Why are you spending time in there? Don't want to come out and enjoy?
You're cooking, not me. It's too hot out here for me.
Nothing? What?
It's too hot.
Let's do that. Even hotter with that.
Yeah.
Well, now I'm like about this high. I can feel it's that hot. It's the guy you iPhone. I remember. Where he's working at. Really does.
Okay.
Oh. That's why I have all of them. Let's look at that.
No, I don't want to look at that.
Whoops. The wind blew.
I don't want to come over. I can't do the heat mark.
See how it's going now?
Yeah. You can cook now?
Hmm.
Yeah.
Think it's okay because it's just hot right there.
Yeah.
Yep. Okay. Alright, thank you. Now I can do the cooking and turn that back on. It's only 200 and hotter than that. Oh, it is hot enough. Good. Good. We got up. Good. 2, 4, 6, 8. Yeah, need more. Whoops. Come on. It's harder, good. You're hungry. You like the smell of my burger, don't you? Oh, I didn't realize that. It's still cooking. Crap. Broke apart. Come on. Ready to. While I was waiting, I can't believe it's already got about 15 minutes. 50 minutes of it, yeah. So, I'm sorry about that. I'm gonna try to edit. Nah, the whole thing will go on. It will take all night, all day tomorrow. Okay. This video dedicated to my ex-wife, best friend, the one who owns the camp. It was fun. We would help out camp. It's the trailer brand name. Camp. Small. 13-footer. No bathroom. We would camp out. They have their own shed. It's like a tiny home. But it's a shed. Where they sleep. And their daughter and their son-in-law and their children would sleep in their own shed. Well, that's just a couple days of camp. Sometime 1 day, sometime 2 days. But we would camp maybe 3 or 4 times a year. Beautiful up there. Can't say where it is because that's all the town is. Yeah. Right across the street there's a house in the kitty corner, a building. All the rest are wood, just like here. I made old turkey burger she was crazy about. So this video is for you. Yep. I should say her first name, Robin. Now you know who I'm talking about, Robin. Yeah. Oh my. It's up to 250. There you go. You see the little smoke? It took a while for that charcoal. That's why it's a long video. So you just have to keep lighting. And I realized that my advice, get pine cone. If you're up north, I know they're small, but collect a lot of them. Use it if you have charcoal, or you have your fire pit, or you want to do bonfire. They're big, maybe 6-7 feet wide. Bonfire. Yeah, you have to sit far to get away from the hot heat. It's pretty much almost the same distance for me, my trailer. You have to sit away from that bonfire. Oh yeah. But, oh, the mosquito. It's pretty annoying. You have to have electric fly swatter. Flies can hear it. They get away. It shouldn't be called fly. It should be called mosquito swatter. Mosquito can't hear too good. You can see that. They can hear that. Go like that. That's what it sounds like when they do all these mosquitoes. I need to do that down here because the cat. Oh, the cat is bad. You guys are wanting to be up there, Ribin and Tara. That's my act. You don't like it down here with the cat. But it's beautiful here, right next door at that farm. My trailer, you see all the other trailers. That's the RV park. It's beautiful woods here. And no Bigfoot here, okay? But way down this way, I can't tell you. People have told me where it is. I'm sorry, I can't tell you where it is. Nope. Well, it's good, 250. Some of it cooked well, some of it not, because the meat stuck to the grill. Falls apart. There's that take. There's that take. Yep. Almost over. So, it's really good, delicious. I just had a bite. So, in a few moments, I'm gonna start eating dinner. So, I wanted to say thanks for watching this awesome video. Sorry, it's a long one. So, oh, by the way, I have a chef jacket. Yeah. Yeah, I need to get Michael daManlius' name on here. Y'all have a good one. Ciao.